Amy?
The middle on the right side, they are not close each other, but they just spread their hands and they are touching their fingers. I think from this imagine I just come up with that they just fell with their head, they feel their mind each other with their hands, and they are going to start their good relationship like that.
So, very exciting when you see it.
Exciting? Not very much, but just also not exciting.
Okay, good.